Good morning, class 12. Student, topic differentiation is continue and it is exercise 5.5. Question number 2. Question is y equal to root x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 4 and x minus 5. Now we will take the log both sides. So log of y is equal to 1 upon 2, then bracket log x minus 1 plus x minus 2 minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. Now we will differentiate both sides. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of log y is 1 upon by dy over dx. So it is 1 upon by dy over dx is equal to 1 upon 2. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So it is 1 upon x minus 1. 1 upon x minus 2. And derivative of x minus 2 is 1. Minus 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 minus 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5. Now cross multiply y. Cross multiply of y. Now we will cross multiply y. So it is dy over dx is equal to. Then we will put the value of y. So it is root x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5 into 1 upon 2 and this whole bracket 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5. So this is the derivative of this given function. Student, now question number 3. Question is y equal to log x power cos x. Student, here one of the function having the power of other function. So we will take the log. Log y equal to cos x into log of log x. It is power rule. Using the formula log m power n equal to n log m. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log y is 1 upon by dy over dx. So it is 1 upon by dy over dx is equal to. Now we will apply the product rule here. So cos x is as it is. Derivative of log of log x plus log of log x as it is into d over dx of cos x. Now cos x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So it is 1 upon log x into derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x. It is by chain rule, plus log of log x as it is into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So dy over dx is equal to, cross multiply the value of y. It is log x power cos x bracket cos x upon x log x minus sin x into log of log x. So this way we will find the derivative of log x whole power cos x. That is log x whole power is cos x. Student, now question number 4. Question is y equal to x power s minus 2 power sin x. Student, it is like the function x power x, means function having the power of another function, minus 2 power sin x. So we can not take the log directly. Here we suppose y equal to u plus b. Here u equal to x power x and b equal to minus 2 power sin x. Then take the log of u. It is x log x. Now we apply the product rule. It is 1 upon u du over dx equal to x as it is d over dx of log x plus log x as it is d over dx of x. Now differentiate and cross multiply the value of u. U is x power x. X as it is, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Here x is cancelled. So du over dx is equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. Now to differentiate b, log is not required. We can take, apply the chain rule. So v equal to minus 2 power sin x. Then dv over dx equal to d over dx of 2 power sin x. Here it is minus, it is like a power x. Derivative of a power x is a power x into log a. So according to this, it is 2 power sin x into log 2 into d over dx of sin x. It is by chain rule. Then minus 2 power sin x into log 2 and derivative of sin x is cos x. Now we will put the value of du over dx and dv over dx is here. So y equal to u plus d. Therefore dy over dx is du over dx plus dv over dx. Therefore final answer, it is x power x bracket 1 plus log x minus 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x. So it is the derivative of given function x power x minus 2 power sin x.